guys, welcome back to 604 Diecast Customs. Hope you guys are all having an awesome day. I'm just gonna do a quick video here. It's a mail day, so we've got something new for the collection. I got this from a local Saskatchewan guy off a page full of awesome collectors. Pretty stoked about this one. I also got it for a screaming deal. I think I paid $13 shipped for this. So we're gonna pop this bad boy open, pull out some paper. That's the paper there. Good padding, like to see that. Doesn't always have to be bubble wrap, as long as it's wrapped well. But check this out. I finally scored myself that Aventador Mura Super Treasure Hunt. Let's get this out of this. Take that glare away from the light. Look at that. God, it's a beautiful car. Now I have a main line here that I've done a custom on, so we'll put these two here for comparing. Now you'll really see the difference in the paint. As you can see, the metallic on this one, and this is just a flat red. Those aren't the wheels that came on this either. That's a swap. But look at that paint. Beautiful. And those 5 spokes. This is my favorite rim style that Hot Wheels does. I put a ton of these onto a bunch of Camaros that I've done. Funny enough, my son actually just did a custom last night with me here and put a set of them on this Carbonic, I think it is. Or no, that's not Carbonic. Quick and Sick. It's an old Team Hot Wheels car from like 2013 or something, but it's got those 5 spokes from the ZL1 Camaro from the Forza. But yeah, I love these 5 spokes. They look good on everything. Big fan of them in black. These gold ones look great. I'm gonna put this back. And this also goes well with this one that I got last time. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll have seen this. I got this from my buddy Pac-Man Hot Wheels. He's a great collector. Appreciate that one. But I think we're going to do something crazy today, guys. I think we're going to do something crazy. Do you want to maybe see me open these? I'm slowly fading away from becoming a card collector. And I think this might be a good time to just get it over and done with. I've never... Actually, can I say that? Have I ever opened a Super before? No, I've never actually cracked a Super. Now that I think about that. I've had Supers shipped and damaged in shipping and have loose ones, but I've never actually cracked a good condition Super. I just thought of that. Nope. I think harder now, and I lied. I did open a gold 83 Chevy Silverado Super, and I turned it into a 4x4. I forgot about that. So I have opened a valuable Super before. That's actually a really expensive Super. So it wouldn't be the first Super I've ever opened. I can't say that, but I think we're just going to have to do it. Should we open the blue one first? Save the Super for last. Who wants to see these popped? Let them breathe. Yeah. Ooh. weird. It's like it was meant to be. Every time I open a car, I screw it up and end up having to like claw at it. Oh my lord. That blue is amazing. Now, for anyone who doesn't know, this is a KMART exclusive. I believe this was a KMART exclusive color, the blue and gold. So us Canadians up here did not get these. We don't have KMART or Target or any of that fun stuff. At least I've never seen one. They may on the East Coast sporadically, but I don't believe so. I think KMART and Target are gone in Canada completely. Anyways, that's beautiful. That paint with the gold on the bottom here, the Mira 50th edition, or 50th anniversary, sorry. Gold main lines, it works well on there. I don't even hate that. Got the tail, there, the headlight and the tampo, the Lamborghini tampo there. Beautiful details on those. Simple. Oh, she rolls nice. Park that bad boy back here. This is the big one, boys. This is the big one. We got the same decal here. The Mira 50th anniversary. Being that it's a super, it does have that TH there, being the marking for the super. You'll also notice the treasure hunt symbol will be behind the card on all these cars. Come on, focus. Focus. You kind of see it there. Right there. Anyways. There, now you can see it. Oh wow. That color is even better than the blue. Wow. I don't even know what to say. That's a beautiful color. I'm such a big fan of like candy reds and stuff. And just like the depth of it is so nice. Wow. That's a beautiful super. Not a big collector of supers. If it's not something I don't collect, I don't pick it up really. Unless I find it, but I don't do a lot of trading. I found 2 supers in the last 3 years. Both of them have been non-licensed cars. One was a boombox, and the most recent one was that Street Creeper. The boombox I think I sold for $10, and the Street Creeper I just gave to my kid this summer. He'll appreciate it more than I really could care about it, so something cool for him. This is beautiful. I love this. And for rubber wheels, it actually rolls pretty well. Bang. Scratch it up the first time I have it out. Well, that's awesome. We're going to get some closer shots of that soon, boys. But I just wanted to show you guys 2 other cars. I was digging around the other day. We had a garage sale. I was digging through a box of loose stuff that I'd given my kids that they don't ever play with. And found 2 Lamborghinis for my collection that I had been looking for. Now this one's pretty rat bagged. It's been sitting in a box. This is a color changer. It's not doing its color thing anymore. I know there's a way you can fix that. I'm pretty sure you have to put it in a freezer or something, get it real cold again, and the color comes back. But as of right now, this one's pooched. It does say police on the side there. You can just barely see it probably. But it's a Gallardo Superleggera, so I'll throw it back there. Super excited to have that in the collection. I'll maybe find a mint one if I can't fix that one, but I also found this. It's a Huracan I didn't even know I had. This is one of the very first ones, the black and orange. Again, Very, very simple, but works for me. It's got the headlight details. It's got one simple stripe down the middle with a subtle pinstripe along the side. Lamborghini on the front there. Black wheels. And then Lamborghini on the back. Beautiful. Simple. Very nice. It'll go next to its sisters here. We got the silver one. I guess that's more of a gray from the Doctor Strange. And the Forza. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching that. Super excited to have those in my collection now, so we'll get some closer shots here. And again, don't forget to subscribe, share these videos. I'd appreciate it. We're going to do a giveaway again at 100. It'll either be a custom or a super or something. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. I've hit a dry spot in Powell River here. There's no new cars lately, so I've been looking to do some trading and stuff like that to get some new content. I'm also trying to find some new paint stripper so I can start stripping cars again and actually doing customs instead of just simple wheel swaps and details. But we'll get to it. So check out these clips of these cars. And again, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.